Tinubu, Jagaban.
It's okay. Where's the protocol person? Please, you have to put a seat for the president. Okay, man. Yeah. The President and Commander-in-Chief of the Nigerian Armed Forces, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Jagaban. I love that name. I love that title. You are very welcome to Anambra State. Our governor, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, the governors here present, Ndiwe, Ndieze of the Southeast that are here with us today, the PGs, the commissioners, senators, I salute you all. Today is a very auspicious day, and we welcome you to Anambra State. We are happy with your developments. We are very happy to just mention a few. We are very happy as this new Southeast Development Commission that you instituted for us. It has given us a great sense of belonging and participation. We're also happy of this new second Niger Bridge extension road that has been flagged off by your Minister of Works, that will start from the Obosi interchange all the way to the Enugu-Onitsha Express Road. Let me stop there for want of time. Jagaban, you're welcome once again. We're happy you have come to Anambra State today, and I feel very honored and privileged to be the one to confer the title, the chieftaincy title, on you on behalf of our governor and the people of Anambra State. You are welcome. First of all, I would like to tell you a little about our governor. Our governor, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, that's standing right behind you. We not only like him, we love him. And we would like him to continue so that he can finish the good works that he has started. We can't think of any man, because he's not the run-of-the-mill politician. He has Anambra people at heart, and he has been working tirelessly. Please, are all the paraphernalia here that we're going to use? Okay, they're all here. Okay, Nkizi Abu Mbaka. Yeah. Kadu Geju. Okay. Okay, say what. We don't need this. Mr. President, I am honored to confer this chieftaincy title that's well deserved by you. It is a token. There's not much. Silver or gold have we none to give you. But this chieftaincy title is a token of our appreciation. You can see the thunderous applause that issued when you stepped out of the car. I had goosebumps all over me. So please put out your hand. Let me start with this. No. The way we do it, I'm going to count 3 times. I'm going to put it around your neck. First time, second time, and the third time, I will leave it. And I'm going to count in Igbo. Ofu, Ibwa. Should I go ahead?
Yes.
Ito. I don't know which one will fit better. I like this one better. Yeah, this one is nice. Please, I want everybody in this place, in this Ekwueme Square, to count with me as I put this cap on our president's head. And we're going to count in Igbo, 1 to 7. So I say 1, 2, go. I don't know who. On our go. 1, 2, go. Ofu, Ebwa, Eto, Ano, Ise, Isi. Olwe na omume. Ambia. Ampubi enya. Andokwasa. Ndokwasa enya. Mr. President, should I come? Yes. For the next one. 20 Dike, Simba Anambra. Dike Simba Anambra. Dike Simba. 20 Dike Simba.
Dike Simba Anambra. Dike Simba Anambra.
20 Azon.
Dike Simba Anambra.
Hello. Dike Simba.
Oh, Dike Simba Anambra. Oh, Dike Simba Anambra. Jagabano nke Nigeria nine. Oh, Dike Simba Analudego no. 20 Dike Simba.
you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.